What's up, Doinks? Welcome back to Sudoku the Way. My name is Sudoku. Today we have Sum 9 by Clover. This is a little over a month old. Normal Sudokus apply. Also, digits separated by a diamond sum to 9. Not all possible clues are necessarily shown. Okay, fair enough. Before we get going, please hit like and subscribe. It is free for you, but it does me a lot of good. Okay, normal Sudoku rules are 1 to 9 every row, every column, every 3 by 3 box, and then these diamonds, the digits have to sum to 9. Okay, so, and this is not all possible clues are necessarily shown. Okay, so this right here could still equal 9, even though it's not given. Okay, so we know with these that these 3 digits are all going to be the same, and then these 2 are going to be the same, and then those are going to be the same, and then those are going to be the same. I do not know. It's possible that, no, they have to be different digits. Okay, never mind. So this cannot be a 7, so we know that the 7s are going to be pencil marked over here now. Oh, I could do this one as well. So I'm going to say those are blue, and those are red. Could these, okay, and then we know that they're all going to be different digits. I'm going to do a little gray and I'll just put that as black. Okay, so then we know that this has to be 9, because 9 cannot add up with another digit to add up to 9, to sum to 9, I should say. Okay, so then we can place, so we know that 5 is going to be in one of these two, but that can't be 5 because that one sees it. So the reds are going to be 5, which means blues are going to be 4. And I'm just going to delete those colors since I solved it. So then we know that, so I think these have to be a 2-7 pair, because green and pink can't be 2-7 because the 7 sees it, and yellow and orange can't be 7. So this is going to be a 2-7 pair. 2-7. So this has to be a 3-6 or a 1-8. So that sees the 8. So then this is going to be a 1-8. 1-8. And then this is a 3-6. So we can place the yellow as that, and then orange is 6. Okay, so then this is a 6, that's going to be a 3. Pencil mark 5s. Oh, this is an 8, 1, 8, 1. All right. So then this is an 8. Pencil mark 8's up here. So yeah, this could have been a diamond, but Clover did not show it today, or a month ago. Okay, so then we know that the 2's are going to be here, so this is no longer 2. So now the grays are 7s and the blacks are 2. Okay, and I'm going to delete those colors. Those are not. I'm happy with those colors. They look cute. Then this is a 1-3-4 triple, but actually the 3's here, so then that's going to be a 1, and then no, wait, hang on. That's not a 1-3-4 triple. It's a 1-3-9 triple. So that's going to be a 1. That's a 3. And then this is a 3-9. Okay, 3-9 pair. Then we have, this is a 4 with a 2-9 pair. So I can place a 1 up here. Pencil mark some 1s. Actually, that can't be a diamond because that's adds up to 10. You dummy. That's a 1. Excuse me, if that's a 1-8, that could be a diamond though. I'm so used to having an X, not a diamond. Okay, so then I got a 6 here. This is now a 1-6-9 triple. 1-6-9. This cannot be a 1. That cannot be a 9. That's a 1, it would have to be an 8. So this is going to be a 6-3. That's a 9-1. That's a 9-3. So that's a 7-2, which puts that as a 2. That's a 7. That's also a 7. 4. I get a 5 here. That's a 9. 1, 2, 3s. 4's on the bottom. 5's are there. This is actually a 6. No, not a 6. 6 is already there. You dummy. That's a 1-8 pair. Okay. So then I can place a 5-4. That's not a 5-4. That's a 1-8. So then this is a 4-5, and I can place that 4-5, which puts 2 here. That's going to be a 9. That's a 2, 3, 6, 9. This is an 8. So that's an 8. That's not an 8. What do we need here? 4, 9. 9, 4. This is a 5. 4, 1. Finish off this column with a 1. Oh my goodness, that took me forever to see. What is happening with me? Okay, so then I can place, this is going to be an 8. That's a 9. Got a 2, 9. Then I need 2 here. Finish it off with a 7. All right, 605. Pretty good. A little slow. Honestly, like the diamond, like I said, I'm so used to seeing the X.